This year, Olivia passed her hunter education course, so we headed down to the outdoor store to get her first ever bird license. Didn't take us long to get on the birds. Please be patient, the camera's new to us. Did you hear Luke sigh? He loves running the camera. Liv forgot her earmuffs that day, so I put my hands over her ears for the shot.
Go in and get it. Yep.
I might have messed up when Liv shot it. It was my ears.
That's fine. Can you see her, Luke?
Yeah.
Hold up to Luke. Hold them up. First bird of 2024. Cleaning the birds. Both got it this time.